Sup, losers? Hello, fellow food eaters and denizens of the web. I heard you guys wanted to know what's cooking. So, what's cooking, good looking? Not much. Okay, so, the mango nata is a popular Mexican drink, and I decided to make my own little variant of it, right? And so I will be making it for the first time on camera and showing you guys at home how to do it too. First things first, you'll need a blender. I have a blender, but first I gotta free it. Okay, so this is a blender. Yeah, it's fresh. It is a lid. And another guys, thank you, sir. Wait. Okay, so the mangonada is a Mexican delicacy that mixes spicy and sweet to create a beautiful fusion of spicy sweet. And I decided to modify the recipe a little bit into something a little bit more, I don't know, special. So here we go. We have the blender here. It's all set up. But before we do, why is it sticking? Okay, it's got suction cups on the bottom of it, so it can't escape. Instead of using chili powder, I decided I would use Takis. Now, I have never eaten a Taki before in my life, so this will be a fun experience for all of us. They didn't have, I think that the red ones are the traditional flavor. Walmart was all sold out of them, so all I had was the blue. But I'm pretty sure the blue's basically like the same but sweeter, so we'll find out. Let's start out with plugging our blender into the outlet. My outlet also has, I don't know if it's visible on camera, but this is the cord for my camera because it's got a charge as it records. And so hopefully we won't overwork this bad boy. And in we go. This blender has auto IQ, apparently, and a crush function. So I should be able to crush the Takis in the blender. Now we're cooking with ass. Let's go. So, oh, there's a thing that says follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and I think that's Instagram. Cool, I will be sharing this on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, Taki. Just you wait. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh, I didn't realize it would open like that, but whatever. So we're gonna take our Takis. We're gonna put them in the cup. Oh God, they. Floor Takis, my favorite flavor. I guess I'm throwing them away. Takis. Okay, so the Takis are in there. I hope this works. How do I get that down? Okay. So I think I just tip it, like so. Yeah, so I tip it, and I seal it, and then we're gonna push crush. This is not working, so I'm not gonna break the blender. We're gonna take our Takis back out. And we're gonna do this the way that I had initially planned with a plastic baggie. Do I have a plastic baggie? I do not have a plastic baggie. I have no plastic baggies. I will be right back. I have to grab a plastic baggie. All right, I have a plastic baggie. And we're gonna put all of our Takis into this plastic baggie. Ugh, my fingers are all blue. I don't like that. This is probably what it feels like going down on a member of the Blue Man Group. Could it be me? I only date men with ears. Our Takis are in the bag. We're gonna take all of the air out of the bag, right? Like so. Yeah, there's still Takis in there, whatever. Right? And now we're gonna do my favorite part. It's called hitting it. So we're going to be beating these Takis like not going to say what I was going to say because it was a domestic abuse joke, and I know that domestic abuse is not funny. My fist is the seme. This bag of Takis is the puckered up uke. Let's go. Now that is Takilicious. Yeah, that's gonna bruise, but you know what? It's worth it. It's worth it for the manganata. Okay, so our Takis are adequately pulverized, right? So next step, look at all that glue. Ew. Not a fan. Oh, but wait, a manganata would not be complete without a little bit of garnish. So let's get right into it. This is a waffle iron, and we're gonna let this bad boy heat up. I'm plugging it also into my same outlet that has my camera plugged in. So what could possibly go wrong? What could possibly go wrong? Nothing will go wrong. I'm gonna put all of these Takis in here, in our mixing bowl. And I'm gonna put in our mixing bowl with the bag of Takis an egg. There is egg on the floor. That is okay. So we have 1 egg. I don't have a place to put the eggs. I don't have a plate. I should have brought a plate. Where are the plates? I think the plates are here. There are no plates. Oh, where are the plates? Are the plates up here? Nope. Yeah, I don't know where the plates are, but I should no, there's gotta, here we go. Okay, yeah, no, that's precariously balanced and I'm short. So after putting this egg in, I'm gonna go get a plate. Okay, so that's 2 eggs in with the Takis. I will be right back. Please bear with me. We take this out, right? And we put our new Takis, not the ones that went into the waffle, a different, and we coat the bottom of the bag like so. See that? Oh, in we go, right? And I have a fancy little, this is the wrong cup, whatever. I have a fancy little straw. Oh. Okay, so this might need to be blended. I need to put more water in this. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get water. I have returned with water. Okay, so we're gonna take our mango Taki and put it. Oh no! It's wet. And we're gonna just put it in there. Delicious. And with all of this in here, we're gonna put it in our blender again. We love the blender. We really love the blender. Okay, that looks so good. Oh, let's lock it in. Taki manganata everywhere. And we're gonna pour it into the cup. That looks so good. That looks so good. Wow. We're gonna season it a little bit with some Old Bay for extra spice. So some Old Bay. And let's put some more Taki on top. and add our tacky garnish. Wow, that really is something. Let me move the blender so you can see it better. Now this is what I call a beverage. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. Look at that. It looks so good. I can't wait to take a sip of the beautiful thing I've made. And now for the test, I will drink our Taki Manganata. It's got some crunch in it. Oh, I'm drinking the part that okay, it's a little bit spicy. Okay, it's still a little bit spicy. Let's try the Taki waffle. If you like this cooking recipe, try it at home.